In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule your Microsoft To-Do tasks in Outlook 2026 full guide. First, open Microsoft To-Do. You can use the web app or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account so everything syncs across devices and into Outlook. Once you're in, head to the My Day view. You'll find the My Day icon in the sidebar. Think of My Day as your daily focus board. It's a clean space to decide what deserves your attention today without changing the underlying dates or reminders on your tasks. Now let's create a task. In the Add a Task field at the top, type a clear, action-oriented title and press Enter. Short titles like Draft Q2 Report or Call Vendor work best because they're easy to scan. Your new task will appear in the list immediately. Click the task you just created to open its details. This opens a panel with all the controls you need to schedule it properly. Here's where the real planning happens. Set a due date using the calendar icon. You can choose quick options like today, tomorrow, or next week, or pick a specific date from the calendar. Assigning a due date is what brings structure to your workload and helps the task surface in your scheduled views, including Outlook's to-do and task experiences. Next, add a reminder by selecting the bell icon. Choose a date and time when you want to nudge. Reminders are separate from due dates, so you can have an early heads up, say the day before the task is due, so you're never caught off guard. If it's something that recurs, use the repeat icon to set it to daily, weekly, or a custom pattern. Recurrence is perfect for routines like status reports, expense submissions, or follow-up calls. Once set, to do will automatically generate the next occurrence when you complete the current one. For focused execution today, click the plus icon next to the task to add it to my day. This doesn't change its due date or reminder. It simply spotlights the task so you can zero in on what matters right now. As you assign due dates, your tasks will automatically appear in the planned smart list. Planned groups tasks by time frame, like today, tomorrow, and later, so you can see what's coming at a glance. This scheduling also syncs with Outlook, meaning your to-do items and timelines show up in Outlook's task views, keeping everything aligned in one ecosystem. And that's it. Create your task, open its details, add a due date, set a reminder, choose a repeat if needed, add it to my day for focus, and rely on the planned list in Outlook Sync to stay on track.